IELTS Speaking Tips for Band 8. Plus, master the exam with these pro strategies. Hello, and welcome back to Pix Mango Academy. If you're aiming for a Band 8 or higher in the IELTS speaking test, you've landed in the right place. Today, I'm sharing practical, proven tips to help you speak fluently, confidently, and naturally, just like a native speaker. So, grab a notebook and let's begin. Tip 1. Speak fluently, not perfectly. Fluency is more important than perfection. Don't pause too much trying to find the perfect word. It's okay to make small mistakes. Just keep speaking naturally. Use fillers like, "Let me think for a second." Well, actually, that's an interesting question. These help you buy time without sounding nervous. Tip 2. Use a wide range of vocabulary. The difference between a Band 6 and Band 8 often lies in vocabulary. Try using topic-specific and high-level words. Example, instead of saying, "I'm happy," say, "I'm thrilled I'm over the moon." "I'm absolutely delighted" don't memorize lists. Instead, learn phrases in context so they sound natural. Pro tip. Keep a vocabulary notebook with synonyms and example sentences. Tip 3. Focus on pronunciation, not accents. You don't need a British or American accent to get a high score, but your pronunciation should be clear. Work on stress and intonation, linking words naturally, avoiding a flat robotic tone. Try repeating after native speakers using YouTube, podcasts, or audiobooks. Tip 4. Use idioms and collocations. Idioms and collocations show natural language use. Examples: I hit the books. I started studying, time flies. Time passes quickly. I'm on cloud 9. Now, I'm extremely happy. Use one or two appropriately. Don't overdo it. Collocations are word pairs like make a decision, catch a cold, take a break. They sound more natural than random combinations. Tip 5. Practice with real. Don't just read tips. Practice speaking aloud every day. Use real IELTS cue cards like describe a book you recently read, talk about a person who inspires you, describe a place you'd love to visit. Set a timer, record yourself, then play it back. Notice your fluency, grammar, and pronunciation. Practice with a friend, or better yet, a tutor who can give feedback. Tip 6. Structure your responses. Especially for Part 2 and 3, structure is key. For Part 2, use the PPF method: past, present, future. Example, Q. Describe a memorable trip. In the past, I visited Cox's Bazar with my family. Right now, I still cherish the moments we had. In the future, I'd love to go there again with my wife. It shows fluency and tense flexibility. Tip 7. Avoid common mistakes. Watch out for these. Repeating simple words like nice, good, bad. Overusing fillers like you know. Speaking too little. Short answers lose marks. Memorizing scripts. Examiners can tell. Be spontaneous, natural, and relaxed. Tip 8. Get feedback and keep improving. Improvement comes from feedback. Use apps, tutors, or even AI tools to get corrected. Keep track of common grammar errors, overused vocabulary, hesitation points. The more aware you are, the faster you improve. Remember, scoring Band 8 or above is totally possible with smart strategies and regular practice. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS tips and speaking practice videos. Stay confident, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS journey.